In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Jira reports. If you want quicker access to reporting inside Jira, this is a simple setup that can make your workflow a lot more convenient. Instead of digging through menus every time you want to review progress, track team activity, or monitor project performance, you can add the reports section directly to your navigation, so it's always easy to reach. To get started, make sure you're already inside your Jira project. Once you're on the project screen, look for the plus icon in the interface. This is where Jira lets you customize or expand parts of the navigation experience. Go ahead and click the plus icon. After you click it, a menu will appear with available options you can add or manage. In that list, find Reports and click on it. This tells Jira that you want to work with the reporting area for the current project. At this point, Jira will give you the option to place reports somewhere more accessible in your project layout. Look for the Add to Navigation option and click it. This adds reports to the project's navigation menu, making it much easier to open whenever you need it. And that's it. You've now set up Jira reports so they're easier to access from your project navigation. This may seem like a small change, but it can save time, especially if you regularly check sprint health, workload, velocity, or other project insights. Keeping reports in the navigation helps reduce extra clicks and makes reporting part of your normal project routine instead of something buried in a submenu. If you don't immediately see the update, give the page a moment to refresh visually or navigate away and back into the project. In most cases, the reports option should now appear in the side navigation for that project. One helpful thing to remember is that this change improves access, not just visibility. So if you're someone who reviews metrics often, adding reports to navigation can make your Jira workspace feel much more organized and efficient. That's all you need to do to create Jira reports access in your project. Once the reports section is added to the navigation, you can return to it anytime and start using the available reporting tools more quickly and consistently.